The world is a very different place to what we understood and knew only a few weeks ago, and it's changing more by the day. As butchers, you have faced challenges over the years and have had to adapt and grow to survive, and now the people of Britain need their butchers more than ever. And you have answered the call. The tradition of the Great British Butcher is standing up to the challenge and putting its customers and communities first, serving innovative products and working with each other and your suppliers to make sure that when you are needed, you are there more than ever. On behalf of everyone at DL and the customers you serve day in, day out, despite the challenges we have in the world right now, thank you. You have shown us that you are proud to be a butcher, and we are proud of you.